Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got this purple shaded right triangle ABC, as you can see in this given diagram, such that its hypotenuse AC has been given us as lowercase a, whereas its two other legs are lowercase b and 11 units. And now our task is to find the value of lowercase a and the value of lowercase b as well, where lowercase a and lowercase b are our positive integers. And eventually we are going to calculate the area of this right triangle ABC once we have figured out our a and b values. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. And please keep in mind that this figure may not be 100% true to the scale. Let's go ahead and get started. And here's our very first step. We can see that only side AB of this right triangle has been given to us as 11 units. And now we are going to find the value of lowercase a and lowercase b. So therefore, let's focus on this right triangle ABC. And we are going to use the Pythagorean theorem on this triangle. And here's our Pythagorean theorem: a square plus b square equal to c square. And in our case, lowercase a is our hypotenuse, where lowercase b and 11 are other two legs of this triangle. So let's go ahead and fill in the blanks in this Pythagorean formula. So our two legs are 11 square plus b square equals to our hypotenuse is a, so this become a square. So let's simplify. 11 square is 121 plus b square equals to a square. Let's move this b square on the other side. So therefore we can write a square minus b square equals to 121. And now let's recall this famous identity: a square minus b square could be written as the product of two factors a plus b times a minus b. And we are going to apply this identity on the left hand side of this equation. So therefore this could be written as a plus b times a minus b equals to 121. And now let's make an observation. We can see this hypotenuse a is larger than this leg b. So therefore we can write a is larger than b. And moreover, a plus b is going to be larger than a minus b as well. And bear in mind that a and b are our positive whole numbers. And now let's make an observation. We can see the left hand side is the product of two factors. So therefore we are going to find two factors on the right hand side as well. So the possible factors for 121 are either 11 times 11, and the other possible factor is going to be 121 times 1. And now we know that a plus b is larger than a minus b. So the only feasible scenario is going to be 121 times 1. So therefore we can write this one as a plus b times a minus b is going to be equal to 121 times 1. So therefore we can write that our a plus b factor is going to be equal to 121, and our other factor a minus b is going to be equal to 1. And now I'm going to label this one as our equation number 1, and this is our equation number 2. And now we are going to solve this system of equations by adding these two equations 1 and 2. And here we can see positive b and negative b, they are gone. So therefore we ended up with the 2 times a equals to 122. Let me divide both sides by 2 to isolate a, and here 2 and 2 is gone. So therefore our a value turns out to be 61. So thus we figured out our a value as 61, and that is positive integer. And here's our next step. Now we are going to substitute a equals to 61 value in this equation 1. And here we have copied down our equation 1 over here. And now we are going to substitute a value. So this we got 61 plus b equals to 121. And now we are going to subtract 61 from both sides to isolate b. And here they are gone. So therefore our lowercase b value turns out to be 60. So thus our b value turns out to be 60 units and our a value is 61 units. And we can see indeed a is larger than b. And furthermore, both a and b are our positive integers. So therefore our this a value turns out to be 61 units and our lowercase b value is 60 units as well. And here's our next step. Now we are going to calculate the area of this purple shaded triangle ABC. And now let's recall the area of a triangle formula. Area equals to a half times base times height. And in our case, this is the base of this triangle. And this side is the height of this triangle. So therefore the area of this triangle ABC is going to be equal to a half times our base is 11 units times our height is 60 units. And if we simplify the right hand side, that is going to give us 330. So therefore the area of this triangle ABC turns out to be 330 square units. So thus after all the calculations and manipulations, the area of this triangle ABC turns out to be 330 square units. So therefore the area of this triangle is 330 square units. And furthermore our a value is 61 units and b value is 60 units. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.